Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all dialing in. Today, man, we got a 0405 Honda Accord that has a VVT solenoid failure. This the code right here. I mean, not code, but this is the sensor. This is what it looks like, okay? You got 3 bolts here. 1, 2, 3. They go right through the casing, okay? And let me show you guys where it fits at. It's a 10 millimeter to take them off. You got 2 sensors. You got a pressure sensor here and the VVT solenoid sensor there. Okay, there's the 2 electrical plug-ins that you got on this system here. All right, it's kind of hard to see it, but I'm gonna get you down here as close as I can. Turn you that way. It goes on the side of that engine right there. Okay, down there right there. So you take those 3 bolts off, unplug your electrical, and you go back in reverse fashion, okay? It's a tight spot, so you got to watch out. Then you also has a VVT solenoid actuator, which is down here in front of the motor mount. We're going to have to lift the mount up, lift the engine up just a little bit. Sometimes you can finesse it through this here. I'm going to try that first, but if I can't, then I'm going to take the mount bracket off here so I can get this thing to slide out. It's about that long, and it looks like that. I still got it in the plastic. Okay, now these parts, part number there was ordered online, okay? And this is the actuator right here, okay? So those are 2 parts that we putting on today. So y'all guys hang out. Okay guys, back, man. Okay, we're changing the actuator now. There's a few little small tricks into on this actuator, man. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all away from the sun. Okay, let's get down here. All right, the actuator on this Honda is located right down there in that hole. Can you see my finger? It's a hole right there. You can see the oil running out of it, okay? And the trick to it is moving the ground wire off your mount bracket here, your motor mount bracket. Move that ground wire off, and then you break the 10 millimeter bolt, which is a special bolt. See how it's made, guys? Okay, move that bolt right there out the way, and once you move it out the way, just work it side by side like this. Be pulling and turn and twisting at the same time. It'll be in like that, okay? And it'll slide right out in the front right there. And once you get it out, I like to take mine and just go ahead and bring it all the way back to the back right here with the wire still attached, because to me it's a lot easier to unplug that sensor back here than it is trying to unplug it from there, okay? And take a look at it. Take a look at these screens, man, because this is what's known to be bad on them. Yeah, that's clogged. See that? See the difference? I can see straight through that screen on that one. See, you can look in there and see straight through it. Take a look at this one here. Right in there. Okay, so you put it back in reverse fashion, man. Y'all hold on, I'm gonna see if I can show y'all guys how I did it. First off, I'll take this here. I just stick my hand in there. See that right there? I put me a little power steering oil, you know, around these O-rings right here. You know what I'm saying? This is another way you can use things that you already have on your vehicle. Say if you was on the side of the road or something like that, just take you some power steering fluid and lubricate those O-rings, right, so you won't snatch them or break them on the way in. All right, man. And I'm about to set this camera down, so that'll be the way to put your actuator back in on a 05 Honda Accord 4-cylinder engine. Hey man, if the video was helpful, man, please subscribe to the channel, give me some thumbs up and share it. All right, till next.